beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this simple popcorn on the stove top. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. Please pardon my lighting. I never wanted to record this, but I just thought of recording it because the ones I did was with a non-stick pan, so I decided to try this without a non-stick pan. Okay, pardon my lighting. So in my pot I'm going to be using vegetable oil. You can also use corn oil, olive oil, and in case you're going for a butter popcorn, you can also use butter. Okay, next I added in my sugar and I added in my corn kernel. So I'm going to stir everything together nicely to combine, and I'll cover this and allow it to pop. And in case you don't want to add in your sugar from the beginning, I'm going to tell you when you're going to be adding your sugar. Okay, so we'll allow this to pop, and I'm doing this on a medium heat. Okay, not a low heat, not a high heat. So I decided to use this old pot because it's a bit thick. The bottom is a bit thick. I have a popcorn recipe that I did with a non-stick pan. So I needed to try this normal pot. Okay, please, when using a pot, don't use a light one. Use the one that is a bit thick. You see the one I'm using now? This wouldn't allow your popcorn to get burnt. Okay, so I'm gonna pop this till everything pops nicely. Thank you, amazing people, for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support, and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we'll make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, share this video to your friends and loved ones. Stay connected to the channel, and you can check the channel. You'll see what you will definitely like. Okay, so let's continue. And in case you want to use this as a mini business, go ahead. This is gonna pay you. So when the corn is done popping, you can go ahead to add in your sugar at this point if you didn't add it from the beginning. And if you want to add in milk, go ahead to add it at this point. Stir everything nicely to combine together. So this is my final look. Try this and tell me what you think about this video, and I will see you in my next one. From me is bye bye.